It just very quickly becomes like so vital to how we operate as a team. My name is Elliot Langston. I'm the General Manager of MetricFire Corporation. MetricFire Corporation is an infrastructure, application and service monitoring company. We were sick of trying to manage our passwords internally via a spreadsheet. There was a level of confusion in terms of who had access to what services, and at the same time, we wanted to make sure that we are meeting our requirements for our customers. It just came from a recommendation from a sister company, and we tested it out. We found that it really suited our needs, and then it was just like a real no-brainer to make the switch. If I have a question, if I need to adjust certain user settings or permissions, they are right there whenever I need them. We don't have to worry about having to manually update any services, and if passwords do change, then these are reflected for everyone. My favorite thing about TeamPassword here would definitely be the really good Chrome integration that they have. I sign in every now and again, and then all of my passwords are accessible to me right away. It's just like breathing. We need to get into a service, TeamPassword's there, we click on the Chrome extension, get the password, we're in. We have just really improves productivity. Just we're able to access tools and services just a lot more easier, a lot more quicker. I would recommend TeamPassword because it's a really straightforward and easy to use password manager. I couldn't imagine going back to a spreadsheet. It's just night and day.